Are you thinking about selling your home? Before you list, let's talk about the 5 biggest mistakes that sellers make and how you can avoid it. And trust me, this is going to save you time, money, and major headaches later on. Number 1 is actually overpricing your property. Each pricing strategy has a different inherent risk and benefit. The risk to overpricing is that you're going to stay on the market longer, you're going to have less leverage when it comes to negotiating, and you're going to receive less offers, and you generally have to lower the price over time. Most of the market right now, say about 80 to 85%, seems to be aggressively pricing their home well under what they expect the property to actually sell for. Now, the benefits to that are it generally sells quicker, you have more leverage when it comes to negotiate, and you have more offers to choose from, and you're stronger in a negotiating position. But the risk is, obviously, if you don't get that price you're expecting, it's a lot harder to go back and increase that price later on. Are you curious about what the right price is for you? Click on the link below, and you can get a free home evaluation with no cost and no obligation. Now, the second biggest mistake is people ignore small fixes that they can make to really make your property shine. Small things like replacing plugs, light fixtures, light switches, giving it a touch-up or fresh coat of paint can really make a dark, dull property shine just like new, just by even adding new handles and doorknobs. That's a very minimal cost. Those small minor improvements really do affect and improve the buyer's attitude towards the property. We actually have prepared a home preparation checklist. All you have to do is go to this website or click on the link below. We'll send you our free home preparation checklist so that way you make sure you're staying one step ahead of everyone else. Now, the third biggest mistake is staging or decluttering. That can have a huge effect on how the property reflects when people are showing it and in the marketing materials generated. And a cluttered, over-personalized home can make it hard for buyers to really connect emotionally. Click here and we can schedule a walkthrough and tell you how we can maximize the value of the house, which is some of those minimal changes. Number 4, most agents unfortunately have a weak or no marketing strategy at all. We have a comprehensive marketing strategy that other agents don't even know about and don't even know how to use. As an example, what if I told you that we could target every buyer looking for a home like yours in the entire area and their agent? Not only that, we can target them with advertising on their phone, on their TV, and their computer. And did you know that certain areas actually qualify for discounts on the interest rates and closing costs? What if your loan is assumable? Did you think about advertising that to buyers? And if so, how are you going to advertise that? Click on the link below and schedule a call with me today. I can go through a comprehensive marketing strategy plan to get the most out of your property with proven results. As an example, this property here, we sold for $100,000 more than the property just down the street. Exact same subdivision, floor plan, and condition. And this home here, we sold this home than its bigger, nicer property across the street for $40,000 more. And our home had a $50,000 foundation problem that one didn't have. So if you want to see how we market homes differently, check out my proven marketing strategy, click on the link below and schedule that call today. Now, also, number 5, don't let your emotions get control of your negotiations. Your home is personal, but negotiations shouldn't be. Emotional decisions can sometimes cost you a sale and money, and some people honestly get overwhelmed with the back and forth of things. It's important to stay objective, stay focused, and keep your eye on the ball. And a good agent can help you navigate offers, counteroffers, and tricky buyer demands to get you the best deal without dealing with that stress. Click below to schedule a strategy call with me today, and I hope you found this helpful. Look forward to hearing from you.